Hello, I'm Chen. I'm a Principal Field Application Scientist at Malvern Panalytical. Our Zetasizer range is a successor to our market-leading Zetasizer Nano range. There are 3 models in our Zetasizer Advanced family, the Lab, Pro and Ultra. The Zetasizer Lab is an entry-level system which measures at 90 degrees for particle size and forward angle for theta potential. The Lab model is suitable for legacy users in QA/QC who requires 90-degree size measurements, USP 729 lipid injectables, milk or food emulsions, and water treatment. The Zetasizer Pro is your go-to instrument to measure a wide range of sample types and concentrations. The Pro incorporates a famous non-invasive backscatter measurement and forward angle for theta potential. The Pro model is suitable for a wide range of samples, including inks, pigments, quantum dots, metal and metal oxide dispersions, biopharma QA/QC, nanoparticle research and development. The Zetasizer Ultra is the most advanced system for the measurement of particle and molecular size, particle charge and concentration. The Ultra model includes a classic 90-degree for particle size, non-invasive backscatter measurement, and forward angle for theta potential. In addition, the Ultra incorporates a new measurement type, multi-angle dynamic light scattering, for higher resolution size and particle concentration measurements. The Ultra model is suitable for users working in academia, biomolecular research and development, gene therapeutics, or where particle concentration requirements are required. Our Zetasizer Advanced range is adaptable to your changing requirements. The Lab and Pro models can be upgraded at a later stage on your site with minimal downtime, giving you the flexibility to get the most out of your Zetasizer instrument. Furthermore, with the addition of Omnitrust, our Zetasizer Advanced range are 21 CFR Part 11 compliant.